Hi everyone, it's Kathy Maxon, Craft Creations by Kathy. So today I'm going to be using a Chalk Couture stencil, Sunrise, Sunburn, Sunset, Repeat. And I'm going to use the Dollar Tree canvas. And I have some pretty colors. We're going to make our canvas look like a sunrise or a sunset. So you just need to pick up, it's a 4x6 canvas from Dollar Tree. I already cheated. I already did one. I wanted to make sure it was going to come out. I don't have much of this yellow, but some of my paint's older than others. So I got bright yellow, goldenrod, pumpkin orange, flag red, and Tuscan red. So I'm going to set my little stencil aside, and then I got black paste. So I went out today, shout out to Amber at Endless Designs Boutique. She had these stencils posted on her website. She has a store locally to me. So I went out there and picked up some stencils. I also picked up one that said, I'd rather be a mermaid. So I plan on doing like blues and purples maybe, background, kind of similar. So you see how this is going to fit. It's just going to kind of be nice right in there in the canvas. And I do have some smaller ones. But then this way, I'm going to do it black with the black paste over the paint. So first I'm just going to start with that bright yellow. I'm just going to throw it in the middle. And I think my paintbrush kind of has been losing hairs, so my paper towels and then we're going to go right into the goldenrod. So we're going to put the goldenrod right underneath it and right over it. Kind of getting clumpy too. Then I'm going to go into, it was pumpkin orange. And we're going to do pumpkin orange and pumpkin orange. You can, brush it off a little bit on your paper towel if you want. Then we're going to go to the flag red. We'll put a little flag red up here. And now all I'm going to do is blend these in. So I'm going to kind of wet wipe a little, and we're just going to go down. So I want to make sure I get my canvas all nice. Then we can flip it around if you want. We're going to go the other way. We'll go add some more yellow to that middle. So you just kind of want to get the colors blended. So it looks like sunrise or a sunset. Let's go back to this bright yellow. Let's get some more on my little palette here. Like I said, I was almost out. Oops, now I got too much coming out. I don't think I need that much. Put that bright yellow right back in there. And this brush is driving me crazy. I got all kinds of little critters in there that I'm not liking. What about these brushes? Stick some yellow back up here, and maybe kind of drag it down. So I think I like that. So this is what it'll look like. The dark color, I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to let this dry a little because I don't want, and I'm going to get a better brush, cleaner brush, and I'm just going to do the edges with the dark color. So that is going to be our sunrise, sunset, whatever you want to call it. You just kind of keep blending. I'm going to let this dry, and then we will paste. We will stencil on our little saying. Okay, the canvas is dry, so this is how it turned out. Did the edges. This is the other one I tested on, and then I have the one that we're going to do for the mermaid. So if you've never used a Chalk Couture stencil, it's kind of like, it's reusable, but it's like a silk screen, more or less. So when you're done using it, you need to wash them with soap and water. So I just got a packet instead of a big jug of it. So we're just gonna need just a little bit because I think this goes a long way. Let's see if I can get some out. Just going to put a little bit, because usually when you're in your little container. So all you're going to do is get your stencil off of its paper, and you're going to defuzz it. So defuzzing it, just going to stick it like on your shirt, just so it's not as sticky. So it's kind of like a little silk screen. I don't know, you probably can see, I don't know if you can see, but there's little like screens in there. I couldn't find anything, so you just kind of center it. And we're gonna make sure it's pushed good on the canvas. And I think I'm gonna make sure my hand's underneath here just because it is the canvas. I just want to make sure I get a good seal. It may not seal good on the canvas. I've never tried it because it looks like it's not sticky very well. Because it looks like it's kind of coming up. Oh well, we'll try it out and see. But basically, you're just going to get it in your ink. And you silk screen it. Okay, I guess maybe I need a little bit more. So like I said, this didn't stick very well to the canvas, so maybe canvas isn't something good, but I know you can put it on fabric, because if you just use ink, there's ink paste. Oh, we're gonna try it out. All we could do is do a fail, right? I've used these before. I've put them on wood. So I do know these stencils work. Just be careful so you don't get it past your stencil. And then you can, any excess, you can just wipe it off and we can use that on the next one. So let's pull it up. Maybe. Like I said, it didn't seem like it sticked very well. that's not too bad. And then, since I don't really see anything on the back, I'm going to try to stick it on this one. I really should be pushing it down in the middle. I don't have water down in my basement yet. Well, I have, and I think I just went over the edge up there. I'm getting it on me. Wet wipes. So I know I got it up at the top, and I'm just wondering if I needed to, and there's that one. So my umbrella didn't come out very good here because it looks like I might have a little clog up there. So that's why you always want to make sure, you know, you get them rinsed off and washed with warm soapy water. Let's try the mermaid one. So these would be cute in a tiered tray. I have some smaller ones. Where's my ruler? So these ones are about 3.5 by 3.5 is the stencil. She had some smaller ones that I did pick up. You can put them on a piece of wood. Get this centered. I'd rather be mermaid. So when you buy it in the tubs, you can just, like, your excess paint that you get on your squeegee, you can just rub it back off into your jar. But what I like about the Chalk Couture is, you know, they're reusable stencils. That's the nice thing about it. I don't know how many uses you get out of one. Here, so if I can, maybe I can scrape it to the over here. I got some right on there. Okay, let's see how this one turned out. There you go. I'd rather be a mermaid. So those are my cute little quick and easy, get the Dollar Tree canvas, paint up your background, and use a Chalk Couture stencil. And you can, if you want, I got some Jenga blocks. I mean, these should set up, but we can always add a Jenga block here. And let me put this back that way. Got my glue gun all heated up. So I just have a Jenga block from the Dollar Tree. And what we can do is just add it as more support. So then when you're standing it up, you'll have your block. So it should stand up better. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. Thank you for watching.